Everybody, Mark Jackson here with another Bizzemo exclusive financial literacy video for you. And what we're going to talk about right now is we're going to talk about financial accounting, because for some people in small business or who are just getting started out, you may never have taken a business course or a business class or had access to a business book. So we're going to give you just a little short crash course right quick on the 3 financial statements that you want to have inside of your business. Now, there's a temptation at times for new business owners or small business owners not to produce these documents. And it would be my personal opinion to accredit the fact that 8 out of every 10 small businesses that start every year fail. I would attribute that to the lack of financial documentation and tracking inside that business. I feel like people have good products, they have good ideas, they have good marketing, they find good people, but they just do not track the money in a way that is accurate, detailed, and given the attention that it deserves, because it's not the fun part. It's not the interesting part. It's not the part that makes you want to dive right in and get into it. So the 3 financial statements that are important in your business is the profit and loss statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. The profit and loss statement shows how much money is in the company, how much the company's making, especially useful for potential investors and stakeholders, right? The balance sheet gives you a snapshot of how much a business is worth at a certain time and is a good indication of its, long-term health. The cash flow statement reveals a company's liquidity, or it tracks the money. Cash is the blood, so to speak, of the business. If it was a body, if you run out of cash, that's when you wind up in bankruptcy. Okay, so making sure you have that cash flow statement, that balance sheet, and that profit and loss statement are very, very important. A company's financial accounting is how it classifies, it quantifies, and it records transactions. So this is, how your business is doing. It's almost like a checkup. If you were to go to the doctor, they would provide you with, the paperwork that you would look at, and it would give you an assessment of how healthy or unhealthy you are. And then it would provide the prescription, or it would give you, the recommendation of the action you would need to take to get back healthy. And that's what your financial statements will do for you. They will allow you to look at and be inside the nervous system of your business, so to speak, and be able to tell how healthy it is, and then be able to make adjustments to make sure you either get back on track, stop what's going wrong, or take some action to increase profitability, because that'll help offset anything that's going on in the negative side of your business financially. So take the time to produce your financial documents and track them, or even hire your bookkeeper, accounting people. But trust me, I feel like most of the businesses that fail because they don't take the time to do the proper financial documentation that is required for their business. You can go to Barnes & Nobles, you can go online, look up cash flow statement, profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and study them just a little bit so that you are in the know about the kind of documents you need to use to help track what's going on in your business. All right? It's been a Bizzemo financial tip from Mark Jackson. Please visit marksweeneyjackson.com. We have plenty of stuff there for you, some blog articles. You can check out my YouTube page. I'm just here to help. And I'm glad to be a part of the Bizzemo journey and be here with all of you in the community. Thank you for taking time to watch.